Most people think that gardening season ends when summer does, but fall is one of the best times to grow. With a little planning, you can keep harvesting fresh food well into the cooler months and even set yourself up for success in the spring. The first step is knowing your growing zone and your frost date, and then that tells you how much time you have to work with. From there, work backwards to mark planting dates on your calendar. That way, you know when to start crops so that they have time to mature before your frost. And after a busy summer, your soil needs some love too. Add things like worm castings, organic compost to give your soil a good boost so your fall crops can thrive. Now that you know your growing zone and your frost date, it's time to pick your crops. For a quick harvest, go with radishes, spinach, and lettuce. If you've got a bit more time, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli thrive in this crisp air. And don't forget about your fruits. Planting trees now give the roots time to grow so that you have a burst in the spring. Frost doesn't have to mean the end of your growing season. You can protect your garden with row covers, cold frames, or even a layer of mulch that will help extend your garden in through the colder months. Row covers help protect your crops from fall pests like harlequin beetles, deer, rabbits, and birds. If you're using containers, move them to sheltered spots when temperatures dip, or even indoors. The best part is, while you're protecting your fall harvest, you're prepping the stage for your next season. Every step you take now, from mulching to cover crops to even bringing in your perennials, helps you bounce back even better in the spring. Speaking of spring, fall is the perfect time to plant your bulbs for beautiful spring blooms. Fall gardening may be overlooked, but it's packed with opportunity. With the right soil, the right plan, and a little care, your garden doesn't have to end with the summer. To make the most out of your fall and winter garden, head to kellogggarden.com to download their free guide for fall and winter gardening. Let's grow together.